Hi everyone, welcome to Signature of Art, the place where you can add value to your life. Today, in our Techno Talk segment, we are going to see more about SLA and KPI. So, we are going to see the difference between the SLA and KPI. We know all the terms, but when we ask individually, we'll be jumbled up. So, in order to give the clarity, today we are going to learn more about SLA and KPI and their differences. Once when you're ready, quickly let's get into the video. Yes. SLA versus KPI. What is the difference? Have you ever thought of like what is SLA, what is KPI? More or less it may sound like performing the same task, but is it really performing the same task? Is it really the same function it is performing? If it is performing same function, why we call with the different name? Have you ever thought of it? Okay. Without further delay, let me quickly explain you uh, what is SLA, what is KPI, what are the differences between that. Okay, what is service level agreement? SLA. The SLA, the acronym says as service level agreement, but let's see what is SLA and what is the difference between KPI. An SLA is a written agreement that quantitatively and qualitatively specifies the service committed by a vendor to a customer, which means that be it with between the vendors, or it is like a business with the client or business with the customer or business or the client. That's how it goes on. It is as the definition says, it's like an SLA is a written agreement that quantitatively and qualitatively specify the service committed by the vendor to the customer, vendor to a customer. As a nominal, I mean, like as a normal layman language, we can say like we go to a shop, we ask something from the shopkeeper, and with the maybe like a mobile shop, as I always use the example, you go to the mobile shop and you just give some, you wanted some specifications, you wanted some quality of functions. It's supposed to your mobile supposed to deliver it. So within the time frame, whatever he promises, he's tell you. You can get your mobile by 6 p.m. Yes, if it is 6 p.m. shop by shop 6 p.m. a customer whom so like being a customer, I'll be waiting that I'll be getting this by 6 o'clock. By 6 o'clock, I'll be getting the service. Fine, and the same time from the point of like a shopkeeper, he will also expecting that yes, by 6 o'clock I'm supposed to, I have promised my customer that I will be delivering you this mobile with troubleshooted by 6 o'clock, and I should keep that time. Fine. So this is how it states like an SLA is a written agreement that quantitatively or qualitatively specifies the service committed by a vendor to a customer it identifies. Next, it's like what it identifies. The metrics used to measure the level of service provided. The metrics in the sense, maybe it is like a quality, or when you are providing, how you are delivering, how you are just troubleshooting, how you are providing the business continuity. These are the things. Next is like remedies or penalties resulting from failure to meet the promised service level expectations. Maybe with the client or with the customer, we have set up some expectations and we have promised, yes, we will be delivering this and so on this time and this date as per the monthly basis. But if you fail to do that, what is the penalty? What we are supposed to give from the business end? These are the things which are dealing with is called the SLA. So quickly summarize, it's like an SLA is a written agreement that quantitatively and qualitatively specifies the service committed by a vendor to a customer. It identifies the metrics used to measure the level of service provider, remedies or penalties resulting from failure to meet the promised service level expectations. Got it? Okay. Next, see, we are going to see about what is KPI. KPI, it's like a key performance indicator, as the acronym says what it do. It's a measure that identifies the progress with respect to a strategic goal. Yes, when it comes to SLA is the agreement, but it is key performance indicator. KPI is a measure strategic goal. What it provides? It provides an analytical, or I can say like analytic basis to evaluate progress towards stated objectives. KPIs can be devised for specific business processes, technologies, components, or resources. The overall business performance in terms of growth, revenue generations, ROI, or other decision-making criteria. I'm not pressurizing much on this because it is very self-explanatory and it's in a normal language. So that's why I'm not much specifying more on it. To summarize again, as like a key performance indicator, the KPI is a measure that defines the progress with respect to a strategic goal. Got it? So it can be devised for specific business process, technologies, components, or resolutions. Fine. And it provides analytical basis to evaluate progress towards stated objectives. Got it? Now we are going to see the major difference between what is SLA and KPI. Fine. What is the difference? Both the service level metrics and KPIs provide useful informations. Yes, correct. We agree that service level matrix provides informations on the baseline performance expectations. Here, the dotted line as the baseline performance of the expectation. It's an agreement towards the meeting those expectation is called as the SLA term. Got it right? As we discussed earlier, it is the agreement. When it comes to KPIs, it provides information on the efficiency and success in meeting organization goals and expectations to meet that SLA. Got it? Okay. While SLAs are used to ensure that service level metrics don't fall below certain metrics criteria, KPIs help ensure that specific performance improvements and results are met adequately and exceedingly in order to improve service performance. The engaged service providers, internal or external, is expected to adopt appropriate action. So in general, what I was to tell you, what I'm trying to tell you is like SLA is an agreement between the vendor and the customer or the client or something. I mean between the business, not something, it's a business. So that's how we will be doing it as SLA. When it comes to KPIs, the key performance indicator, it shows the efficiency and success in meeting that SLA in organization goals or expectations. Got it? For performance implementations or specific metrics and KPIs, organizations needs to take appropriate actions internally to meet the strategic objectives. It's very self-explanatory things which I wanted to showcase to you and which I want to share with you. I dedicatedly provide you 60 seconds for you people wherein you can have a look into it, and if you have any doubts with respect to the differences between SLA and OLA and anytime, feel free to comment on my comment box. I'll feel very happy to explain you on my upcoming videos. Yeah. Here starts your 30 seconds. I'm dedicatedly providing it for you. Have a look into it and come back to me. Here is the moment. Hey people, I'm back on the 30th, I'm in the 60th second of this particular time which I had dedicated for you. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. Before winding up the session, I'll just quickly recap it what we have seen in this particular video. It's about SLA. SLA is an agreement between the vendor and to the customer, and the key performance indicator. It provides the respect. I mean, respect to the strategic goal, which means like the efficiency it's going to provide. Well, when it comes to the reference, SLA is an agreement between the vendor and the customer, but KPI, key performance indicator, is something which provides you the efficiency or the information on the efficiency and success in meeting those SLAs organization goals on as per the client or as per the customer expectations. Got it, right? Okay, and let's wind up the session. Before winding up the session, if you feel this session is very, this video is very informative, and if you feel if you want to share this to your friends, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to get upcoming videos like whatever related to techno talks. You can get into it. Please to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to that, because if you don't do that, you are not going to get any updates. I mean, any upcoming updates on the videos which are coming in future. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay blessed and be safe. Stay safe. Bye. Bye bye.